Installing the Venom Kodi Addon on Kodi 21 Omega is a straightforward process that opens up a world of streaming options. First, launch Kodi and head to the settings by clicking on the gear icon. From there, navigate to File Manager and select Add Source. Click on None and enter the URL http://123venom github.io. Name it Venom and click OK. Next, return to the Kodi home screen and select Add-ons. Click on the open box icon at the top, then choose Install from zip file. Find Venom and select the repository zip file to install it. Once that's done, go back to Install from repository, select Venom repo, and then Video Add-ons. Find Venom in the list and click Install. After a few moments, you'll see a notification confirming the installation. Now, you can access Venom from your add-ons menu and enjoy a vast library of movies and shows. Happy streaming!